Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the basics ready. Sign into or create a Microsoft account and confirm your email. Once done, redeem an Xbox or Microsoft gift card to add store balance because you won't use a credit card. Make sure your account region matches the card currency. This prevents payment errors. Finally, pick the Game Pass tier you need, console, PC, or Ultimate, so you know how much balance to load before moving to purchase. Now you redeem the gift card on your Microsoft account or directly on the Xbox console. This turns the physical or digital code into usable store balance. Next, go to the Game Pass product page, select the tier, and at checkout choose your Microsoft balance as the payment method, no card required. Once the purchase completes, confirm the subscription duration. If you're unsure, start with a 1-month card or trial. It lets you test the finish by activating Game Pass on your console. Sign in with the Microsoft account that holds the redeemed balance and verify the subscription under Services and Subscriptions. Make sure to disable recurring billing so the system won't request a credit card when renewal time comes. You can re-enable auto-renew using more gift cards if desired. If the purchase fails, check that the gift card's currency matches your account region, confirm sufficient balance, and ensure the redemption was done on the same account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.